Dow 20,000, it came and went. I know that you think that stocks have maybe gone a little bit too far too fast.
Yeah, absolutely. I think Dow 20,000 may be almost a great sell signal here. Certainly complacency reigns supreme. VIX pit behind me, we're having the VIX trading at the lowest level in over 10 years at levels we haven't seen in a very long time. Stocks, conversely, at the highest multiples we've seen. So that combination of richly valued stocks and cheap options usually portends to at least a consolidation, if not a pullback, over the next several months.
And I know there's one metric that you look at, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's the S&P 500 PE divided by the VIX at an all-time high. If that is the metric, what does that tell you?
Yeah, absolutely. That kind of, hits on what we were just talking about there, where, taking the PE, the current PE of stocks, divided by where VIX is at, in essence, giving you a kind of insurance cost. So with stocks at a 25 current PE, which is, in the upper 3 percentile, and the VIX in the lowest percentile, that just means if you're looking to insure stocks, great time to do it. And from a contrarian perspective, maybe a great time to take a short position by buying some puts.
Okay, great stuff, but I am going to take the other side and point out earnings season. It's pretty solid earnings season. At the end of the day, stocks do trade on the corporate profit outlook. Right now it looks pretty solid. So why would you think that stocks are going to drop if earnings and profits are decent?
Yeah, absolutely. And earnings better come in good. Certainly, we've had basically 6 straight quarters of earnings recession here, but yet the market is up some 35% in that time frame. So that valuation, that PE has expanded to levels. So earnings better come in really good to justify where we're at here. And if they miss it all, I think we'll have a pullback with some disappointment. Amazing how, Trump has gone from kind of pariah to messiah. Same kind of thing here, stock market as well.
So it sounds like you really think that things have just gone a little bit too far, too fast, and a pullback is ahead. And I know that your trade, actually, you're putting your money where your mouth is relative to a bearish SPY trade. Can you take us through that?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just going out to the regular February monthly at the money puts, the 229 puts, paying about $1.80. Only need about a 1% pullback for these things to be profitable. That shows you how cheap it is. VIX is around 1050. These are trading under an 8 implied volatility, so these have an 8 VIX. Short-term vol absolutely in the tank. Big gamma, which means if these move, they will start to move big. So I'm still a believer that maybe stocks occasionally will go down, especially given where we're at following a 10% straight up rally.